Hi, I'm Mark Garner and today I'm thrilled to be showing you around this stunning 3-bed detached bungalow in the charming area of Broseley Wood. It's just a stone's throw away from the historical town of Ironbridge and it sits on just under half an acre of beautifully landscaped gardens. Trust me, if you're a garden enthusiast, this one is the place for you. It comes with a double garage, a high-spec kitchen and a luxurious bathroom. This home offers the perfect blend of comfort and style. Whether you're hosting a summer barbecue or enjoying a quiet evening in, this property has it all. Come on in, let's take a look at what could be your next dream home. Follow me. Well, I hope you've enjoyed the tour of this beautiful property as much as I have showing you round, with its amazing gardens, modern amenities and perfect location just minutes away from Ironbridge. This property really is a gardener's dream.